Welcome to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 7th of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to gold. Now this gold chart, very interesting move actually I think we saw yesterday. Look how similar the move yesterday was compared to the move we saw last Monday. 2 Mondays in a row we've seen this gap up at the open, filled on the day, arguably closed on the day, but the sellers and the bears are still in control, I think, and exactly the same sort of situation. You sort of had this selling pressure stabilised on the Friday, gap open on the Monday, filled, closed, but then continued to drift away. The same situations, sitting fairly solidly on the Friday, gap open on the Monday, filled it, closed it, and then still falling away though. So I think this is the same sort of situation. You've still got the downside pressure, you're still selling into strength on rallies, and I think that gold remains pretty negative certainly on the negative drift, and I think you're going to get a retest of that 56.85 level. Not necessarily saying you're going to come back to the 1140 42.86 low of March, but still the pressure is on. Now, intraday, you can see this still. I mean, there's an element of consolidation, you could argue, with the hourly moving averages, but still, I think that there is downside pressure. You're still trading below those the 1170 old support, falling over at 1175, which is a resistance as well. And I just think that the downside pressure is still on for this chart. I think that the fact that, again, you've not really been able to find any sort of safe haven, any sort of sustainable safe haven buying is a concern. I think if you're not going to get safe haven buying at the moment with the Eurozone in the situation it's in with Greece, then I think it's a pretty damning indictment of gold generally, and I think it just suggests that the bears are still well and truly in control here. So that's how I'm looking at gold at the moment, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.